Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to set up a credit card payments on your OpenCart store? In this video, we will show you how to enable and configure credit card payments to simplify your checkout process. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all, guys, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on opencart.com, and from there you have to download their software, because it is a software. It is not something that you usually use on the website. So it is a download software that you have to use, install, and have to start using. Now in this video we are going to understand the basics of adding a payment gateway with OpenCart. So the first thing that you have to do, guys, is to go search for a decent extension that could work for you. Now extensions might be found in the marketplace, so you can search on the marketplace, and as you can see already, there is a lot of extensions. Now I have opened some of them here so you can have them as a shortcut so you can understand. But here it is. OpenCart uses extensions, and these extensions are gonna work for you as a gateway. Now, so you can understand more. So basically, because we are having a business online, there is no middleman to actually make sure that you, as a provider or a seller, you have your things safe, and the other person, which is the client, is having a safe payment. So to make sure that both the vendor and the customer are having a safe transaction between both of them, because customer will pay and the vendor will send the products. So this is in money and this is the actual product. So to make sure that you have everything correctly done and the vendor is not scamming the customer or all the way around, this policy is no longer working, because now you have to do another policy which has the vendor and basically the customer or the clients, and between them there will be the middleman. This middleman is basically these extensions that we are going to talk about in this video. These extensions they are a lot. So there's, for example, Stripe, which is very known. There is Square, which is also very known, and there is others that you might even know better than I do. So basically, these extensions that are very important, they are going to open the door for you so you can add a lot of ways of payments methods. So for example, Stripe as a company, they allow you, so let me just go here. So Stripe will allow you to actually accept payments of different methods. So here, for example, they accept credit card, Visa card, MasterCard, all the cards basically. They even accept like Apple Pay, Google Pay. There was a lot of things that are pretty interesting with Stripe. It has a fixed fee and it has a very decent amount of advantages and features. Also, this is a picture that has basically all the extensions that you might find in the marketplace, but not all of them are basically the ones that we are going to use today, because PayPal, for example, will not really allow a person to pay with credit card unless he has a PayPal account. But what we want exactly in this video is to actually pay with credit card with simply just a credit card without going through an email password thing. Just simply put in the number of the card, the name holder of the card, and the CVV code, and that's pretty much it. So to do these two things or three things that we have here included, we have to use either Stripe, which is a very good option, or Square. Now Stripe, this is the problem with it. Stripe, if you search for it here, as you can see here, you might find a lot of them. So make sure to go for something that has pretty much higher reviews. So for example, this one, and this one, as you can see here, it will Stripe to Pro Payment Gateway, so you can have easy to install setup, card vault to store customer card, supports Apple and Google Play, support 3D secure card payments, accept payments directly on your site, accept all credit debit cards, multi-currency supports and multi-language support live and test mode, and much more. So now as we said, and let's go through this article first and go throughout a lot of things because there is a lot of information to understand. But as we were talking, there is something that you have to understand, which is very important. Stripe, once again, does not accept any country. To have an account with Stripe requires that you have an address in the US, and it doesn't matter if you are a citizen or not, at least you will have an address in the US. To own an address in the US is pretty easy if you have money, so you could pay and create a company, but you'll have to start paying taxes for the US. So this is something that you have to include in your mind. So Stripe, in case you're not in the US, is pretty hard, unless of course you have a friend or you have a way to pay past that. It's completely up to you. Now these are some images about this extension. So how it works, it's pretty easy to use. So there is a dashboard, there is buttons to use, there is a guide for it, so it's pretty cool. Now for the features and how to install. So let's go first with the features. Easy to install and set up. Card vault and store customer card, which we have seen earlier and we read. Now how to install. In your OpenCart admin panel, go to extensions, then click on installer. Upload the file Stripe Pro OCC mode.zip, go to extensions, choose payments from extension type, and you will see Stripe Pro payments module there. Click the install button, and after installing finished, click on edit button. Update Stripe Pro settings, and congratulations, Stripe Pro payments module is now installed. You can now accept credit debit card payments on your site. Note, Stripe allows payments with live card accounts only when site is enabled on https:/SSL. However, this restriction does not apply on test mode. So you have to get this pretty much completed. So the installation process has only 5 steps, so make sure to understand them well. Make sure that nothing is wrong with it, everything is well maintained, and nothing is basically mistaken during the creation or the installation of the actual extension. Now also there is a lot of extensions that you will find in the marketplace, so you simply can search for credit card payments, and as you will find here, you will find like 2checkouts, Activia Payment Getaway. You will find a lot of things, so it's pretty up to you to choose which one to go for and which one to actually ignore. But Stripe is well known, it is the best. There's also TwistPay, which seems to be very good. It has a very decent like interface and has pretty much all the features that you want. But yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Also guys, do not miss that you have to check downloads, because the higher the downloads make sense more. So yeah, thanks guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.